Identity operators are incredibly powerful when managing large data objects. They allow you to efficiently detect if your code is using a cached version of an object or if it's interacting with the live data directly. Imagine you were pulling thousands of records at once. In this specific example, our dictionary object is small. You can identify it as a dictionary by these curly braces. Inside, we have a key, where the associated value is actually a list of items. Now, imagine scaling this up to thousands or even millions of entries. Attempting to create a full copy in memory would cause a massive performance hit. To solve this, we use a variable called cache that we pass into a method. Instead of duplicating the data, we simply pass a reference to the existing object. Think of it like a long shopping list with 100 different items. Rather than rewriting that entire list from scratch, you'd rather have the other person look at your original list. You might take a quick photo and send it over, ensuring you are both referencing the exact same information. So, here our data is cached. We are checking if this variable points to the exact same object in memory. This is the identity check, and it is a vital tool for performance. If you actually needed a duplicate, you would use the copy function like this. When we run this method, you'll see that they become two entirely different objects. Now it's occupying more memory than it strictly needs to. Identity operators are also great for managing user sessions. If a user starts a session on your web app, you need to know, is this a new session or an existing one? If it's a brand new session, this identity operator will verify that. It would report that these two are not the same. However, if it's the same session being continued, the check returns true. But if the user starts a completely separate session, even though it's the same user, they are in a different session object. In this case, the identity check is false, but is the user the same? If the user data matches the values we expect, the equality check returns true. Always remember the difference between is and equals.